Okay, this is a short video just to showcase Robotas' new Mascot Verify system. So effectively this is a camera-based system which we can retrofit to any of our Mascot systems for PCB THT component placement. And effectively the camera will be checking for component presence, so has the part been placed on the board, and it will also be checking for component polarity. So has the part been placed in the right orientation? So like all of our Mascots, this system has a laser head. The laser is shining down onto the PCB to tell me, the operator, where this part needs to go. The carousel, the motorised carousel's already delivered the part to me, so this is the part I'm picking from. This is the part here. Now to show the presence working or being checked, if I was not to put the part in and leave it empty on purpose, I'll step on the foot pedal to move on. The camera now takes a picture, does a live feed, and it checks against its templates and it says, nope, I'm not happy, there's not a part here. That error message was saying there's a presence problem. So now I'm going to put the part into the board and the camera will take an image again. So step on the foot pedal, the part's been placed. I step on, the camera now took a picture and it's happy and to move on to the next component. So now the operator takes the next component, which the carousel's just turned to offer me. The laser is shining to tell me exactly where this part is. Now this part has got polarity. So once again, if I don't put the part in, I step on, the camera takes a picture, and it says, no, I'm not happy, there's no part been placed here, so please place a part. I'm now going to put the part in, but on purpose, I'm going to put it in with the wrong polarity. So here we go. So this is the wrong way around now. I'm going to step on, the camera is going to do its check and say, no, I'm not happy. This polarity part has been put in the wrong way around. So please fix this in a pre-solder environment when populating the board. So now if I was to put the part in, I've put it in with the correct polarity. I'm going to step on the board, the camera takes the image and it's happy. So now the next component I'm going to get is being given to me by one of our DPL arrays. So it's indicating to me here that it's from this bin. I pick the part up, the laser is telling me where the part goes. Again, if I take it without placing any parts, the camera takes the image and tells me there's nothing been placed. I'm now going to put the part in, again, the wrong way round. So this is a polarity part, I put the part in the wrong way round. I'm going to step on. The camera says, no, I'm not happy, this is a polarity part and it's been put in the wrong orientation. So now, if I was to correct that component, place the part, I step on, the camera has done its check and it's very happy and it's letting me move on to the next component now. So it's a way of ensuring that in a pre-solder situation, the operator is placing the components into the board, but it will not let a fault go forward if there's a problem with the way that the component's been placed. Thank you.